Hello everyone, greetings of the day. This is Prasanna Guduru. I'm going to talk about exploring open culture in Call of Duty today. First, let's talk about emergent gameplay in Call of Duty. Emergent play is defined as spontaneous player driven experience that evolve from interactions in the game world. During multiplayer matches in Call of Duty, players frequently devise new ideas, tactics, and techniques, demonstrating emergent play. Call of Duty encourages emergent gameplay with dynamic battlefield, diverse systems, and player inventiveness. The community's influence, which is spread through online channels, impacts gameplay strategies. With each new release and update, the game's meta evolves, requiring players to constantly adapt and innovate. In Call of Duty multiplayer, players constantly invent and change their gameplay method to outperform opponents and win. This can include techniques like quick scoping, drop shooting, and map control, in which players use game elements and map layouts to their advantage. Let's talk about types of open play in Call of Duty. Uh, First one is multiplayer. Call of Duty has number of multiplayer game modes including team deathmatch, domination, search and destroy and more. Each mode has a distinct objectives and gaming mechanisms that appeal to different playstyles and performances. Multiplayer maps are diverse with different layouts, sizes and environmental hazards to make gameplay interesting and dynamic. We can also talk about customization, where players can tailor their experience with numerous weapon customization choices. Like they have weapon skins customization entails selecting weapon attachments, camouflages, verticals, and weapon perks to match specific playstyles. This level of customization allows players to modify their loadout for peak performance and individual expression. Other thing we can talk about is community events. Call of Duty organizes regular in-game events and challenges to engage the community and provide unique rewards. Events could include double XP weekends, limited time game modes, seasonal events, and community challenges. These events stimulate player participation and create a sense of community within the game. Player production in Call of Duty. User production involves creating personalized material and using user feedback throughout the game development. This includes developing unique game modes, maps, and weapon skills, as well as incorporating user feedback into suggesting into updates and fixes. Players can contribute to Call of Duty's ecosystem by developing unique game modes, maps, and weapon skins through modding tools and community created content platforms. These grassroots creativity enriches and diversifies the game experience, allowing players to customize their gameplay and share their creation with others. Outside to inside, Call of Duty developers actively incorporate player input and suggestions into updates and duties. This includes fixing game bugs, balancing strategies, and offering new features based on player feedback. Call of Duty listens to the community to ensure the game lives up to the players' expectations and desires. Examples of popular player created content or adventure maps. Player can design custom maps with unique challenges and storylines, providing new experiences beyond normal multiplayer games. These maps frequently use elaborate level design and planned events to immerse players in compelling narratives. Texture packs. Custom texture packs change the visuals and aesthetics of the game, allowing users to customize its appearance and feel. Texture packs, which range from realistic to stylized designs, improve immersion and provide players with a new perspective on familiar settings. Mods. Mods produced by players add additional creatures, objects, or gameplay systems to Call of Duty, broadening the game's potential. Mods can range from little tweaks to major overhauls, introducing new content and features to improve the gameplay experience. Discussion on Call of Duty influence. Call of Duty has had a huge impact on gaming culture by encouraging creativity, community participation, and player generated content creation. Call of Duty's dynamic gameplay, powerful customization choices, and supporting community ecology have enabled gamers to express themselves creatively and create their gaming experiences. The franchise has served as a catalyst for innovation in gaming industry, promoting other developers to experiment with novel gameplay mechanics, customization options, and community-driven content creation tools. Call of Duty has been instrumental in driving the evolution of open culture within the gaming industry by constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Call of Duty's esports scene. The Call of Duty esports category has grown to become a major force in competitive gaming culture, attracting millions of viewers and players across the world. Call of Duty esports, with fast paced action, deep strategy, and challenging content flow on it, has captured fans and pushed competitive gaming to global levels. The franchise esports events such as Call of Duty League and Call of Duty World Championships give professional players a chance to showcase their abilities, battle for prestigious titles, and big prizes. These events provide a platform if to foster talent, community engagement, and recognition of gaming brilliance, which reinforces the impact Call of Duty has on competitive gaming culture. Conclusion. Call of Duty exhibits emergent play with its dynamic landscapes, numerous gaming systems, and player innovation. It provides a variety of open play experiences, including multiplayer games, customization, and community events. Player creation entails developing unique material and incorporating player feedback. Custom game modes, user generated maps, and community designed cosmetics are among the most popular forms of player created content. Call of Duty has had an impact on open culture by encouraging creativity, community participation, and player generated content. Its sports event has seen a huge impact on competitive gaming, garnering a global audience and creating chances for professional players. Call of Duty is a prime example of open culture in gaming, encouraging creativity, cooperation, and community participation. Call of Duty's dynamic gameplay, powerful customization choices, and supporting community ecology allows players to personalize their gaming experience and contribute to the franchise's continued progress. Here are the list of references I have used for making this presentation, and I thank everyone. And if you have any queries regarding this presentation, you can contact me, and this is my email. Thank you.